In this video, we will show you how to replace your rear liftgate support on this Ford Flex. You'll have one of these located on each side of your rear liftgate. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. The first thing that we need to talk about is safety. We're going to be removing one of the arms that holds up the rear liftgate, and it weighs a lot. So you want to make sure you support it with something before you start the removal process. We'll just put this right in this position so it's held in place and make our way up to the trim panel. Of course, there's multiple ways of doing this. This is just the unit that we're using. Now we can start removing this using one simple tool. We'll use this small pocket screwdriver. If you were to come down along this area, you'll find that you have a small slot that you can fit this into, and you can gently pry the locking clip out of place. That's essentially what it looks like, and it's holding onto a stud that's part of the body of the vehicle. Lift up as high as you can on the liftgate, and we can separate the piston from the body of the vehicle. We'll reach in here and gently pull it out of place. Now we'll let this hang down. Now we can make our way to where the lift arm meets the lift gate. We have the same procedure. Use your small pocket screwdriver, get underneath this metal clip, and pry it out of place. Remove the lift arm from the lift gate. And there it is, friends. Okay, now we can get ready for the installation of our brand new liftgate lift support. Make sure you have it in the proper positioning so that you have the piston area making its way down into here. Let's take the end and put it in position. We'll press that on there and make sure it's secure by gently tugging away. Now we can lift up on the liftgate and remove our support and continue on to applying the other end of the lift arm onto the body of the vehicle. We'll press that in and make sure it's secure. Okay friends, we showed you how to install one side of your rear liftgate lift supports. The process will be the same for either side of the vehicle. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.